Salut, I'm Peach. We are back in Canigaran, in east of Puerto Princesa, Palawan, in the Philippines. Today I took with me my brand new RF100-500 attached to my Canon R7, and I will try to get some bird in flight around here, and this is actually a perfect place for that because there is many egrets feeding over there. This is actually now low tide, and if I'm lucky I could even see some sea eagle or some kingfishers. This is the first time for me to shoot with that lens in the wild. It will be certainly a very nice day today, full of light. Maybe we will try to reach the sandbar over there, the famous sandbar in Puerto Princesa, if the tide is low enough. So let's get started. I'm glad today there is not too much wind. I came already yesterday and the wind was so strong that I could not get a good audio, good enough for my video. So today I don't have that problem. There is a kingfisher right there on one of those two trees. I don't know if you can see that. I will try to show you with my Canon R7, and I will try to approach that kingfisher and see if I can get a good photograph of that beautiful bird. So of course the kingfisher was already gone. He was just sitting on one of those two trees behind me. So I decided to go low for a while. I'm very close to those little mangrove tree over there, and there is a little bird that just decided to land just in front of me here at 15 meters. So I will take some photograph of that little bird. A shorebird for sure. A shorebird for sure. So see you later. So I did reach my goal with my new RF100-500. I shot many egrets in flight and even a white-bellied wood swallow in flight. And I'm very happy with the result. I like the autofocus, the versatility, the lightweight, and that superb sharpness of it. However, I will keep the RF800-f11, which has much better image stabilizer in 4K crop at least. For videography of things that are very far, I think the RF800 is the winner. For everything else, the 100-500 is just a beast. This egret was flying so low that you can see the reflection of the water under the wing. A bird in its natural habitat. I like the contrast, the posture of the wings. She's probably taking off. This one is cool, a lot of details in the wings. She is in front of the Sulu Sea. We guess the wave in the background, and I really like the colors. Another takeoff, usually what they do if I am too close, they check around for friends. If they feel alone, they will fly 30-50 meters away. One of the closest shoot, great sharpness around the eye. This one is landing in front of the sea. Here I think the one on the right was trying to destabilize the other one, positioning itself a bit under the egret on the left with the little fish in his mouth, hoping that she will drop its meal, my guess only. Another low-level flight, quite close. We can see a lot of details in the feather here. Very sharp eye. As you can see behind me, there is a lot of small mangrove growing, and that's good. I'm heading over there. There is some kind of building close to the sandbar, so I will check out that human construction, it seems. And that small dot that I am pointing at with my finger is a floating house, the same kind that you can rent in Canigaran. My next destination is the sandbar, and I am finally walking on a more solid ground. A rather interesting landscape made of sand, dead coral reef with holes filled with water, starfish, small fish and urchins. Eventually I reached the sandbar and the Sulu Sea. And it's huge, several kilometers of sand. Not the absolute best sand, but at least only sand. No algae, no plastic, no Coca-Cola can, nothing else but sand. Let's get a bit away from those noisy waves. So as I said, you can come here by yourself. If you just check online the tides, you take the road south, just right south of the airport, going east, and at the entrance actually you can rent those floating house. They will bring you here. Oh, there's a plane. They will bring you here and let you for a half day or a full day. The price will depends. Oh. Did I catch the plane? I have a lot of pictures of planes actually. Today's prices are between 1,000 and 3,000 pesos. Facebook link in the description below. I hope you liked my little video. Please like, subscribe, comments. It helps a lot. I leave you with a song from a childhood friend of mine, Dominique Duprat, who posts just for fun a few songs on YouTube sometimes. Link in the description below. Cheers!